Hello, Valparaiso. On your Sunday, it is 15 Weather Update. Gabe Haberling. What do we have in store for our Sunday today? We have some rain expected that's going to be coming our way starting tonight. It's going to be hitting us tomorrow as a low-pressure system comes in from the west. Not only rain is expected, but windy conditions are going to be coming with it as well, as I'll be talking about in just a minute. And also for next week, brief warm-ups are on the way, which is actually going to be making it comfortable for a lot of people. Currently in Valparaiso, it is around 40 degrees, not bone-chilling cold right now, with winds from the northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. What a beautiful, stunning morning for your Sunday morning. Look at the live look cam. Crisp blue skies that are overhead in Valparaiso. If you're traveling right now, it's beautiful. Go out for a little drive. Stunning, clear skies. Oh, beautiful. Looking at the regional radar currently across Valparaiso, nothing. There's no precipitation that's affecting our area, making it this morning a perfect morning with crisp blue skies. Temperatures currently hovering at around 40 degrees at Valparaiso. Just east is actually hitting the low 40s at Fort Wayne at 41. And then looking towards the west, it's just hitting the upper 30s, especially for Rockford, Illinois, and Davenport, where it's in the upper 30s. So one of the things that's going to be coming with this system is going to be the winds. The wind gusts are going to actually be quite strong. It's going to start coming in around early Monday morning. This is around midnight. The wind gusts are going to be just on the rise, with wind gusts approaching 20 miles per hour, but southwest areas for Pontiac is going to be approaching 25. So it's going to be a little bit breezy, but then as we head to our Monday morning commute, now this is where it's important. It's going to start to get actually windy outside, especially if you have your kids that are going to school, if you're actually traveling to work. The wind gusts are going to actually be strong enough to create a little bit of crosswind, especially for high-profile vehicles. So if you're heading on a north or south road tomorrow, traveling north or south, just be careful. Give yourself some extra time with those crosswinds that are going to be affecting you. Wind gusts could be approaching 35 to potentially even 40 miles per hour. That's strong enough to knock down weak tree limbs, cause some isolated power outages, and move around lightweight objects. For example, trash cans, or if you have any patio furniture, secure them, because they could be potentially airborne, but the winds are not going to be strong enough where it's going to be lofted. So be careful of the winds tomorrow. But it's going to be a brief period where it's going to be actually subsiding quite a bit during lunchtime. But then later on throughout the night on Monday, there's going to be a cold front that's going to be sagging through from the west. And behind the cold front, the winds are going to increase again. Looking at the wind gusts, 30 to 35 miles per hour. It's still going to be windy during the nighttime on Monday when you're probably coming home from work. Or if you're coming home from, let's say, from grocery shopping, just be careful of the winds out there. And then on Tuesday, the winds decrease substantially. So that's going to be on the good side for the winds on Tuesday. Here's the future rainfall that's going to be associated with this next system that's going to be approaching on Monday. Rainfall amounts just over an inch at Valparaiso, just over an inch. Areas off to the east of Valparaiso, for example, South Bend and Bend Harbor and Rochester and Indiana, over an inch. But as you move further east towards the Ohio border, for Kendallville, just reaching just under an inch and a half. Areas west of Valparaiso are going to be on the west side, just under an inch. Joliet, Illinois, looking at 9/10 of an inch. A plentiful rainfall event. It's going to be soggy, so make sure you have an umbrella handy with you as you go out through your day tomorrow. Looking at tonight, it's going to be on the chilly side before the temperatures are going to be increasing. It's going to be around in the low to mid 30s with the rain that's going to be coming in. Some of the rain could be heavy. And then tomorrow, again, some of the rains could be heavy with a 100% chance of rain, with temperatures on the mild side, the mid-50s, just hovering around, I'm expecting around 55 degrees. Along, the winds are going to be windy as well, so it's going to be a wind-driven rain that's going to be expected. Here's your 7-day forecast for Valparaiso. Interesting weather coming our way for next week. Looking at Wednesday, everybody, we might be just approaching just under 60 degrees for the first time. Just 60 degrees on Wednesday. We'll see if that comes to fruition and if it comes true. If it is, it'll be comfortable. And then looking at Friday, we got some snowfall that's going to be expected our way, and it's going to be quite chilly. Again, temperatures in the 30s. But then during the weekend, next weekend, when everybody leaves for spring break, It's going to be calm, and it's going to be not too dangerous for weather. Temperatures in the low to mid 40s. Well, have a great weekend, Valparaiso, and stay safe.